Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer your photos and videos from your Mavic 3 Pro or any other drone wirelessly. Let's say you just don't want to connect it like this and you just want to have that seamless experience that's just right for you. But without any further ado, let's get started. You're going to need your mobile device and you're going to have your drone with a battery, and then just basically turn on your drone, right? You want to make sure that it does its magic and just hold it so that, you know, it doesn't, because it's going to do that gimbal self-correct thingy. And then when it does all that, when you see the gimbal move, right, then you can place it down. Because with this one, it kind of needs to be a little bit upright. It needs that space underneath so the gimbal can do that. All right, so knowing that and moving forward, then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your phone, your favorite iOS device. This will work on the iPhone, Android, as long as they have a wireless transfer connection. And then what you're going to do is we're going to push everything here to the computer so that everything will just happen for you guys seamlessly. And then let's see what we have here. See that? Oops, there we go. We have our phone here on our desktop, and this way you guys can just follow along. I'm just going to move this over here so I can put myself here in this corner. So now what you're going to do is you're going to launch the DJI Fly app. Okay, DJI Fly, and then it'll self-correct once we get it into the correct position, or maybe not. See, we have a connection guide, but here, before we connect, let's go here. We're going to force landscape maybe left. Whoops, nope. Force landscape maybe right. Okay, I thought left was that way. All right, so knowing that, moving forward, you see on the screen where it says DJI Mavic 3 detected. You just press it, see? And then we have Quicktransfer available. And then let me get rid of this screen right here so that you guys can see. See, it says connecting. And yes, I want to join because I want my pictures and I want them now. And then sometimes if it can't connect, what you'll do is you just copy the password and go into your settings and say, forget this network. And then it'll just work. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. See, there it is. And then voila, now I've got my stuff. I want... Oh, and you also have to make sure you have enough space, because if you don't have enough space on your device, then good luck, you know, getting them off. Or you can just move stuff around onto an external drive. Anyway, knowing that, moving forward, I want this one. This is a really nice POI effect that I did, and you can scrub through it and see. It's not gonna be the highest resolution when you scrub a dub, but you know, it'll give you the idea. Look at that, kind of neat, huh? I want that. And what you do is you just select that little icon, or see right over here, that download. Okay, and hopefully I have enough space. And to know whether or not on the iPhone, I don't know how you do it on other devices, but to know if whether or not you have enough space, what you'll do is, let me put this back into portrait so that you guys can see. Force right, force portrait. You're going to go into settings. See, it's still downloading. And then you'll go to general and then about, and you scroll a little bit. So I have about 18 gigs left. Not a lot. Means I have to start getting rid of stuff, because then you won't be able to edit your footage on the DJI Mimo application. That's the beauty of this, because you can edit it, prep it for your Instagram feed or whatever. And in case you're wondering, here, like I'll show you. See, right here, I have 18 gigs left. So unfortunately, not a lot. But just enough to, you know, probably do this. I don't believe that it gives you 2 minutes, right? I don't believe it tells you how big it is, but you can gauge from the size, you know, according to how much you have left and how much is taken from the time that you download your images. And look, this is a nice image too. I got some good images. And what I also did that same flight, the POI effect, at night. So you see, I got it. It downloaded, and to know if it's downloaded, see right there. You can see it, but it no longer has that Dropbox image where it's like, hey, you know, you can download it. So I also did that one at night, right? See, here it is at night, and I can zoom around. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. I was thinking of doing another one in the with the sunrise. I was like, nah, it's fine. I'm not a big fan of flying the drone into the sun unless you have filters, because it's sort of like, you know, they're not, one of the tech guys told me that it's not really a good idea to always shine your drone into the sun. And that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? You get to download stuff seamlessly, wirelessly, and you can edit it right there. And in case you're wondering, like, how do you edit it? You just go here to the, I'll leave a link in the description down below, DJI Mimo. See that? The Mimo app allows you to edit stuff from your phone. And we're just going to click cancel here because I'm not going to connect to the camera. It allows you to edit videos from your phone, from your drone, from your camera, any camera. It doesn't have to be exclusively the Osmo Action camera, but certain features that are enabled in here, like the metrics or the remove the selfie stick, you know, it has to be from these cameras. But other than that, you could use it, have fun, edit, and it's free. And it's more robust than the Final Cut program because there's usually no wait for the rendering. So if you have an older machine, ideally this is a really great editing software. But if you have a newer machine, you probably won't see the difference. Anyway, see, look, we got a little notification thingy. And you see, it's downloaded. This little lightning thing over there. And then we're not going to click that. But that's just for the other experience. But now if I go here, if I go scroll up, and if I quit the application, if I go to photos, I should see inside there my video. See? Oh, it's screen mirroring though. That's okay. Mirroring's fine. What I'll do is we'll do rotate right? Because left did not work. All right. Oh, or we do left. Okay. There. And we'll get rid of that. Kind of neat, huh? Look at that. Gotta love it. And then, you know, we'll scrub through it so that we can see. And my plan is to do maybe a cross between the tilt shift and a speed ramp where it just transitions smoothly from night and day. But we'll save that for another video. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you in better understanding how you could wirelessly transfer the pictures and videos from your drone to your phone. It's the same process with all the other drones. You just select it on the left-hand side, and that's it. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.